Hello, I am going to set up one of our mud kitchens right now so you can see how to assemble it. It's very easy. I've opened the box. I'm going to take out the back wall, it's all snug in here, so you're going to want to pull the legs out. The lower shelf, 2 more legs, and the tabletop. The back side of it has 2 holes for the bolts that hold the back wall in place. We've got some instructions and a bag of screws. Okay, so I like to start by putting the tabletop face down on a piece of cardboard or paper. Opening up my screws here. The legs are all numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they match up to the same numbers on the inside of the tabletop. Here's number 3, here's number 4, 1 and 2 are over here. So you just grab a leg. I grab number 1. I'm gonna find the number 1 corner, just line it up. Grab a screw. I use a screw gun because it's much faster, but a screwdriver will work too. And screw that into place in both holes. Oops. Okay, now I have like number 4. So here's corner number 4. Sorry for the noise next door. It's a beautiful day, so we're all out doing projects. There are pre-drilled holes, so it makes assembly really easy. The screw just goes right on in. Okay, now we have number 3, and here's corner 3. And the other one. And leg number 2 goes right over here. Super easy. So all your legs are on. And what you'll notice is that if you have a deck, make sure that you put something under your screws so they don't fall through the holes of your deck. So now we're going to put the lower shelf on. And I don't know if you can see, but the legs have, a little line there. So you're going to line up your lower shelf with that line. So I like to turn the kitchen towards me. Well, you can't see that, so let me turn it this way. Make sure, well, if you want to put it with this side up, you can, and then it's like a tray, you know, because it has the edges to hold things on. Or you could put this side up and it's a flat surface. So you just kind of put it between slide it between the legs, and then slide it up to that line. I'll show you what I just did. So I slid the shelf in and I lined it up with this pencil line. Where is it? Right there. So you do the same, and now I'm going to screw that in place. It only takes 4 screws. Again, make sure not to drop your screws through your deck like I almost just did. Yep, I missed the hole. Okay, there's one. Here's the other. Simply flip it over. And put them on this side. Okay, now your lower shelf is on. So I'm going to stand it up. These holes are where your back wall is going to attach to. So a nice tight fit. I have to slide it over. And then you take your bolts with the wing nuts. Take the wing nuts off. Screwdriver helps to get them in. Oh, that one slid right through. Attach the wing nut on the other side. And then put this bolt through and attach the swing nut. And now you're done. Your mud kitchen's assembled. Drop the bins in and start to play. Enjoy!